How to verify account on Airbnb? Are guests facing issues to verify account on Airbnb mobile application? If that's so, then this video might help you. To verify your Airbnb account, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, make sure you are logged in. If you don't know how to create an account, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now, once you are in the home page, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you click on profile icon, select account settings. After you click on account settings, you can see this option for personal information. Tap on personal information. After you tap on it, now you can see this option for identification verification. Just simply tap on start. Once you click on start, you will be asked to upload a government issued ID like a passport, citizenship, or driver's license. Take a selfie to match your identity. Follow on the screen instructions. Make sure your ID photo is clear with no reflection or blur. After uploading, Airbnb will review your information. This can take a few minutes up to a few hours. Once approved, you will see a verified check mark on your profile. And that's guys, that's how we're going to verify your account on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.